Hi, my name is Haralabos Bratsas and I'm going to show you how to create a WebID and then use it to log into a Drupal site. If you are new to WebID, you can have a look at the WebID specification. It's got some pretty descriptive depictions and other useful info. From an end user's viewpoint, all you got to do is to obtain a new WebID identity in a WebID provider. At the Meducator project, we have installed our own WebID provider to fully control the authentication process. I have already created my profile on this Virtuoso ODS instance. It is trivial, so I'm not going to demonstrate it now. But you can see here the triples of my FOAF profile, and the graph representation. I now need to edit my profile to generate a certificate. So I click on the Edit link next to Profile and then select the Security tab. Now let's make sure we don't have any certificate yet and then create one. So I click on the Certificate Creator tab and then on the Submit Certificate Request button. Let's check if the certificate was created on my profile. Yes, you can see it right here. Next, I make sure it was also added to my browser's client certificate store. I can see it here. I can even see my profile's URI, which I'm going to use later. I can also export it to use it on another browser. Time to log in to Meducator Drupal site. I click on the Login via WebID link and select my WebID. As no account is associated with my WebID, the site suggests I register for a new account, but I will log in with my existing account instead. I used my username and password, and now I'm going to associate my account with the WebID I created earlier. I click on my account link to edit my account, and then I click on my WebID Identities tab. Let's click on the Add a WebID button to add it. OK. You can see it here. Now, I'm going to log out and log in with my WebID. I think it's straightforward. What I'm going to do now is to delete my WebID. Then, being an administrator, I will add a new user associated with this web ID. I create a new user and I have to paste her web ID to enable her to log in without a password, just with the web ID. I'm assuming, of course, that she has a valid certificate pointing to this URI. Otherwise, she won't be able to log in. Now, let's try out if our test user can log in. I'm going to first log out from my account. It is working fine. You have watched the whole procedure from obtaining a web ID to logging in to Drupal. A pre-release version of the WebID Authentication module for Drupal is available online. Thanks for watching this clip. Have a nice day.